All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell digital assets with WooCommerce. Here's an example I've prepared here where we're selling a PDF that has some useful information for website owners. And I'm selling it right now for $1.99. This is really just an example product I've made for demonstration purposes. But I'm going to show you how to make this from scratch. When you log into your WordPress website with WooCommerce, you'll go over to Products over here on the left and click on Add New. Once you've created a new product, you will put the name of the product right here in this box. So I'm going to say, what did we name it here? We named it 21 Ways to Make Google Love Your Website. So I'll just put that in there. And if I want to, I can also take the same description I used here, put that in as my description. And then we'll ignore this for the moment, but the important thing when you're selling digital products is that you need to check the box that says downloadable. You probably will want to check virtual too. The only reason you wouldn't do this is if you were going to ship something in addition to the thing you're downloading, like maybe you're going to sell an ebook and a physical book at the same time or something. But as long as you're doing just everything just virtual as a file, check virtual as well. Then you'll put a price in. We'll say $2.99. And then the really important thing that's different than most things is that we need to actually add the downloadable file. So I'm going to click Add File right here. And it gives me a little slot to put the name of the file and also a link to the file. If I click here where it says Choose File, I'll be presented with all the images and things I've already uploaded. But there's a good chance you may not already have it uploaded. If you don't, you'll click on Upload Files here, click Select Files, and then you'll find your PDF or whatever it is that you're selling. I'll go here, I'll upload it. And now that it's uploaded, I will go over to the bottom right-hand corner where it says Insert File URL. And now you'll see that the link, the URL to this PDF is right here. I can also put the file name in. It's not a huge deal, but it's a good thing to put in. In this case, it's really the same thing as this. But sometimes you could have like multiple files, by the way. You don't need to worry about this too much, but you could have several files that you allow people to download once they pay. So that's how you do this. I'm going to hit Publish right now. So I'm going to scroll up here and click this blue button right here, Publish. And you'll be able to see where we're at so far. So you'll see we have our title, we have our price, we have our description. We're looking pretty good. The only thing we're really missing right now is an image. So I'm going to click here where it says Edit Product, again, to edit it. And now we need to add an image. If I click on Set Product Image, and I'll upload an image right here as well. I'm going to click Upload Files, select Files, and right here I have a PNG file that I made earlier. I'll just upload that. And I'm going to hit Set Product Image. You'll see it appears right here. If I hit Update, we can check to see how that looks. Looking pretty good here. We've got our picture of what it looks like. We have the text, or the title, we have our price. And now if someone clicks Add to Cart, they can go through the checkout process. And once they've finished the process, it will allow them to download their files. Yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. It's not too hard. Just good thing to understand how it works. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If this video was helpful for you, give it a like or a share or whatever you like. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.